Most of us are afraid of making big changes in our lives, entering unknown territory, starting something new. Every time I start something new, I get a really uncomfortable feeling in my stomach. Nervous feeling. A feeling telling me, please don't go there. Don't do it. It tries to keep me where I am, as if there is a danger lurking in front of me. I still go, because I know if I don't, I will regret it. All my experience from my past telling me I have to go. I never regretted when I tried and failed. But I would certainly regret it if I never tried. I understand that this is a normal behavior. We are programmed this way from the past to ensure our survival. Stay in a territory we know well, we are adapted to, we are comfortable with. But let us face the reality. This old behavior, survival instinct, served us in the past. But today, it hinders us, prevents us from achieving our goals. We live in a completely different world today. A friendly world. There are no animals out there that could eat you. A dangerous predator that could attack you. Leaving your comfort zone, starting something new, starting something unknown, is in today's time something beautiful, rewarding and exciting. We look at the people who transform their lives, who have learned new skills. These people are inspiring us. And why? Because they gone over this age. They left their comfort zone. They were ready to learn something new. Learning is a change. Nature change. Our entire world is in a permanent change. Nothing is the same just a moment later. Accept this fact and stop struggling. Just stop for a while and realize your thoughts are the ones creating this illusion of a danger. Life is actually very easy, friendly, joyful. If you just start to see it this way. Don't view a challenge as a struggle, something negative. Learning is a challenge. Climbing up the mountain is a challenge. But this is just a part of our world. And that is what makes this world so beautiful, so interesting. We'll never run out of finding something new, learning something new, experiencing something new. Accept this world for what it is, a friendly place. And go for your goals. You have nothing to lose and everything to gain.